guys! I found more tips for your channel to grow. I know I'm not a famous or professional YouTuber, but I've learned some tips on the way. Here are more of some tips to grow your channel. Have correct spelling. I realized that once I fixed my spelling, people watched my videos more. If your spelling is good, it will make people thank you. Act more professional. Here are spelling mistakes I made in the past. Stick to the trendy topic. Trendy topics will always get more views since it's interesting in this point of time. Here are trending topics for 2023 according to Google. Do what you love good at. When people see that you're good at something, people will come back for that reason. Don't be lazy to post. If you're lazy to post, subscribers will get disappointed at you and eventually think you aren't caring for them because you don't want to post. If you want to actually have a good channel, make your viewers happy. Be interesting. Make sure your videos is something you would watch until the end. Want more tips? Tell me in the comments or watch this video. Link is in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you. Subscribe for more Roblox gaming, tips, vlogs, and more. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!